Maybe you don't. Okay, if you don't, I have this poster in the back of the classroom with common fractions and decimals. I'm sorry it's in the back because there's no room up on the front really, because I got the boards and everything. Okay, but 0.33333 is 1/3. Okay. Also, if you don't have that, like you're taking a test, you don't have that, you can do it in the calculator. You need to do a lot of 3s, and then math frac. All right, that's saying turn this into a fraction, tells me 1/3. Okay, but if you don't do enough 3s, it's not going to work. Okay, so do a lot of 3s. Right, so one of my solutions is 1/3, 0. Okay, that's another way you might see it. You might see x equals the solution, or you might see it as the coordinate pair. Either one is correct. And let's go back and find my other solution. Okay, I'm going to do second trace 5. Now I need to move it over here to this side, the negative one. We found the positive one. I need to move it over to the left. And I get negative 0.5. Okay, what's 0.5? A half, right? So it's going to be negative 1/2, 0. Right now, I want you to notice, that's our solution. That's perfect. Okay, notice here. All right, 1/3 is 3x minus 1, positive 1/3. Okay, 1/2 is 2x plus 1, negative. Okay, it changes signs and it makes it into a fraction, right? But it's still the same numbers as in our factors, right? And we're going to see more about that in the future to see why it does that. But I just want you to be noticing that because, yes, those things are connected. There's a reason that happens. Any questions on that one? No, you good? Okay. The next one, I'm going to go to the next page. I want you to do on your own, okay? Right, it's 5x plus 2 squared. That's it. What's 5x plus 2? What does the squared mean? Times itself. So really this is 5x plus 2 times 5x plus 2, okay? Some people will say it's 25x squared plus 4, okay? But we know with FOIL there needs to be 4 terms, not just 2 terms. You need to do the FOIL here. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple minutes to do this one on your own, okay? First, outside, inside, last. Remember, you're multiplying. 5 times 5, not 5 plus 5. You're multiplying first. What's 5 times 5, y'all? 25. All right, the first one should be 25. Don't forget your All right, so let's remember what first would be 5 times 5. Okay, that's 25. And what's x times x? X squared, right? 25x squared. And then 5x times 2, 10x. Right, then since it's the same, right, then this is 2 times 5x. This is also going to be 10x. Okay, that one's going to repeat because it's something times itself. It's squared. Both binomials are the same. And then the last one is 2 times 2, 4. So you should have got 25x squared plus 10x plus 10x plus 4. Right, then combine your like terms. 10x plus 10x, 20x, okay? And if you're wanting to make that 20x squared because you're putting two x's together, remember, x squared is x times x. Here, I'm adding x plus x. So it's not going to change to x squared. Right, so 25x squared plus 20x plus 4. Okay, because this comes down there. This comes down there. Right, there's my answer. Right, let's label our A, B, and C. A is 25, B is 20, and C is 4. Okay, also notice if these are both positive,